Welcome. Today we're diving into how to view all shared videos in a Telegram chat on your PC. With the new updates, finding and enjoying your videos is easier than ever. Let's get right into it. First, start by opening your Telegram desktop application. Once it's up, you'll see a list of your chats on the left side of the screen. Now, locate the chat where you want to find the shared videos. This could be a conversation with a friend, a family group, or any chat where videos have been shared. Once you've identified the chat, click on the chat's name at the top of the window. This will take you to the contact info page, where you can see details about the chat, including its members and shared content. This step is crucial because it opens up access to all the media shared in that conversation. Next, look for the Videos section on the contact info page. This section serves as a dedicated gallery for all the videos exchanged in the chat. Click on Videos, and you'll be greeted with a well-organized collection of all the clips shared within that group or conversation. As you scroll through the videos, you'll find everything from hilarious clips to important event recordings. Telegram makes it easy to browse through these videos, and you can click on any one of them to watch it in a larger format right in the app. If you're searching for a specific video, you can use the search feature. Just enter relevant keywords, and Telegram will filter the results for you, making it simple to find exactly what you're looking for.